Gorgeous 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage with pool in Bullard ISD on 0.5 acres. Immaculate and move-in ready. Wood floors, extensive trimwork, arched doorways, wood-burning fireplace, and soaring ceilings welcome you into this open floor plan perfect for entertaining or everyday living. The kitchen boasts of stainless appliances, induction cooktop, stained cabinetry, huge pantry, large island with seating, and spacious breakfast room. The formal dining area allows for either extra dining space or a flex area could be a second living area, home office, etc. The split primary bedroom offers a private retreat with ensuite bath appointed with double vanity, separate tub and shower, walk-in closet, and connects to the utility room. What convenience! The 3 guest rooms provide ample space for family or guests. There is a full bath for guests as well as a half bath. Outside enjoy the gunite pool can be either chlorine or salt water with rock fountain feature, large backyard, extra decking, and covered back living space. Other amenities include an outside storage building, concrete pad for trailer storage, foam insulation in attic, new ductwork, and generator hookup. All on a quiet street with a cul-de-sac. Special financing available. Come see. Come buy.